let's talk about Solar, guys. Now, this cryptocurrency has been making some pains, but slowing down, guys. So I'm gonna give you guys my analysis about what's happening with this cryptocurrency and some details about this crypto. Let's dive right into it. So we're on the weekly, guys, and this thing is seemingly to be bouncing off this support. Now, that is a good thing, because if you guys are going long on this crypto or looking at getting a buy entry, this possibly is a good time. Now, let's look at the last few weeks. We got one move down, we got a move up, and two like almost dojis, like basically bouncing. It stays still. That's a good thing, because we see that it's slowing down. So if it hits down to this lower price of like 25 cents, it might be possibly pulling back up. So is it a good time to buy right now? If you're dollar cost averaging, it's a good possibility. But for me, when it comes to trading this cryptocurrency, I'm definitely going to wait, because I think it might hit down to the 25 cents level, which is my first price prediction on this. But if it hits 25 cents and wicks down and just bounces at 25 cents for a while, kind of like this right here, like the zone right here. If it does something like this, guys, this is where I want to start getting into this crypto like this and start trading it again. Because I think if it can break that level, it can hit 25 cents and start building it, this would be the first target price where I would go for. This zone here. Back to the 63 cents. So to 63 cents would be my price target after 25 cents at the breaks. But it doesn't have to hit 25 cents. It can bounce around near there and then pull back up to hit this high. And then if it does that, guys, I'm gonna basically lock in my trade, pull some profits, and let the trade run. What could happen outside of that if I'm wrong? Now, it's a good possibility it might build up or just head straight down like this. Let's go to the monthly. Let's check it out. So on the monthly, it has been downtrending really, really hard. Like we see the high over here. The high is let's see, $5, basically $6. So from $6 up straight, just pain. So yeah, he's shorting. If you're shorting, you're doing really, really well. Like you're taking some massive profits. But it possibly can go down lower, guys. So protect yourselves. Like for me, I like to get in on a buy stop, I'll wait for all the basically static to happen down there. And when it's done happening, then I'll enter on a buy stop, place my order, but engage it, get on the trend, and hopefully hit my target profit. I'll exit, lock in my trade, and let the rest run. If it goes back down, knock down my trade, then hey, I got 2 profits. It's fine with me. But if I'm going in on like a cash position, like dollar cost averaging in, just buying every week or so, or something like that. Let's go back to the daily. Then for me, like when it comes to daily, I'll just start buying every couple of days. Buy a little bit here, dips down lower, buy a little bit here, dips down lower, just buying. So if it reverses, I have a really good cup or a really good bottom to get into. But that's my analysis, guys. I got 2 price predictions at 25 cents and the 65 cents, 63 cents around there. But let's get into some of the details about this crypto. This crypto is trading at 37 cents. It's up 10.9%. The market cap $184 million. Right now, 129 on the list. 407,000 people's watch list. Now, guys, this thing's on everything. It's on a lot of platforms. So if you guys want to trade, hodl, cash positions, get into this crypto, definitely available. I'll have it linked below. You guys can check it out. And they got a B by Stable Outlook, and that's pretty good. Like about top 50%. It's about. Also, here's their website, solar.org. If you want to learn more about their platform, about how this cryptocurrency works, just, try it out. Build your own dApps. It's pretty cool if you guys want to learn more about that. Also, here's your social media, Twitter, 40.9 thousand followers. A lot of people on there. So if you guys want to learn more about this crypto, just check it out, guys. And also, if you guys want to learn more about my website, andrejmcclellan.com, go here, guys. I have a lot of cool stuff. I'm adding more all the time. So if you guys want to go to the economy and stats, I'm trying to finish this countries tab and economy tab. But if you guys want to try it out, just let me know, guys. If you have any questions about it, if you have any questions in general about crypto or this one in particular, just drop in the comments below. But tell me what I did on this video. We'll have that discussion. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you.